Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for the ultimate fishing kit, then you have found it right here with this set from Grip. This cleaning kit is awesome, not only for fishing, but also hunting and small game when it comes time to clean those as well. This set comes complete with 3 different types of knives, a sharpener, as well as multi-purpose shears, a cutting board, even a compass and measuring tool. And to top it all off, a really nice case to keep it all in. The 8-inch fishing knife was perfect for cleaning Lake Erie walleye. Because of its length, it easily cleaned the entire length of the fish in a nice, smooth motion. We were really impressed, honestly, at just how sharp each of these knives were right out of the box. The measuring tool that's included is awesome as well because it not only measures length and weight, it also has a compass on there too, and that's really convenient. The boning knife worked great on our walleye, but it also is a great tool to have when processing venison. This kit from Grip is great for cleaning, boning, and processing different types of game. It would really be the ultimate gift for any fisherman or hunter in your life. So whether you're looking for a set for yourself or for a gift, this Fisherman toolkit from Grip is an ultimate choice. And that's just our point of view.